Here's what I eat in a day as a mom in her 40s who's lost 70 pounds and been keeping it off for years. So this morning I started with some coconut water that I added some lime juice to. I just love it that way. And then I had half of this delicious papaya that I added dragon fruit, grapes, and cherries to. The papaya was amazing. And I don't know why the papayas have been so good, guys, but they have been so good. And I live in the mountains of Colorado. I don't live in a tropical climate, but the papayas have been amazing. So then a little later in the morning, I had this really juicy, ripe mango with some of these really sweet green grapes that have been also fantastic from the grocery store. And I just have to show you guys how cute my little window boxes are coming. I've been doing a bunch of gardening. They look so cute. I've got some veggies in my planters. So then for lunch, I made these giant summer salad rolls, and I already posted a video for these for you guys in my feed in case you missed it. They're so delicious. I'm going to be eating these all summer. Then for a little afternoon snack, I had the rest of my papaya. Then I got in a nice sauna session and it started raining, which was so awesome and peaceful to be in there when it was raining. Then for dinner, I made this chickpea curry, which was absolutely delicious. I had it with some steamed rice, and then I made some naan for my husband and kids, and it's not gluten-free, so I only had one piece, and I was stuffed after that, so that's all I had for today.